Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Mitsubishi ASX Exceed, stock reference number 4616. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the current shape. It has a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right front factory alloy mag with a good tyre 18-inch, and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory Rockford Fosgate, display screen, sat nav type, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.